Hello, good morning. Okay, let us start the part 2 of acids, bases, and salts. Okay, I think so eagerly waiting for it, huh? Okay. All the metal hydroxides are bases. So, example sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, or silicon lime, ammonium dioxide, everything. All the bases, all the metals, carbonates, and metal hydrogen carbonates are bases. We have known it very well, metal carbonates and hydrogen metal carbonates. When we mix it together, we can get the bases. This nature is bases. And sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate. So we can see this in a common way. Sodium and calcium are the bases. When it just react with anything, it will get bases. So a base which is soluble in water is called an alkali. So they have very difference between the base and the alkali. Alkali is nothing but which the base which is soluble in water. And bases are soapy to touch and bitter in taste. Bases change red litmus to blue litmus. We have all discussed. It comes from lichen. Okay. Bases neutralize acids. According to Arrhenius, a base is a substance which dissociates in aqueous solution to give hydroxyl ion. Okay. Yeah, I have left the topic on the acids. That acids release H plus ions in it. Then it had the value of the acids. Yeah, strong bases such as sulfur hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, rubidium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, and barium hydroxide. They have given you some strong bases here, and the strong base pH is between 12, 13, and 14. Okay, at the pH scale you can observe it very clearly. And the strongest base in aqueous solution is OH. You know the strongest base in base is OH, and the strongest bond in acids are H plus. Yeah, a Lewis base must have a pair of electrons. The Lewis, you have known the Lewis dot structure in your 10th class. We have already discussed in it. Yeah, Lewis want the pair of electrons. The pair of electrons is present in the valence shell electrons of every element. In every element, you can observe this Lewis base and the pair of electrons. It's just valid for some elements. All anions like F minus, L minus, CH minus, Sc, N minus, H and O2 minus, SO3, 2 minus, O2 minus Br, SO4 minus 2 are Lewis bases. Okay, based on the Lewis, we can get these all. Yeah, base plays H plays conjugate acid. Bases conduct electricity in solution. Bases are electrolytes. Bases are electrolytes. Without bases and acids, no electricity will produce because all the ions are just connected with them and they can produce electricity. So it had chance to get electricity. And bases react with some metals to form hydrogen gas. So bases with react with some metals like sodium, metals like so many metals just form hydrogen gas. We have already discussed that acids react with metals to form hydrogen, right? So as like that, it's same valid for bases, and bases react with non-metals oxides to form salt and water. So I have pointing this. Bases react with non-metals oxides to form salt and water. So I think so non-metal oxides. So I have already discussed that metal oxides are nothing but the bases and non-metal oxides are nothing but acids. So when base plus acids gives rise to salt plus water and the bases and react with non-metallic oxides, it's nothing but the acid, so which will give salt and water. And some bases liberates hydrogen gas with metals, and 2NaOH plus zinc gives rise to zincate, sodium zincate. Na2Z and O2 plus H2. H2 is releasing agent is the gas. Okay. Okay, bases are prepared by dissolving metal oxides in water, CaO, MgO, etc. And strength of acids and bases. You have studied it, yeah? Are you? No? Okay. Strength of acids and bases. Strong acids. Acids which undergo complete ionization in water are called the strong acids. So these acids give more number of H3O plus ions. Example HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, etc. So you have known a very strong acids which have very powerful. So even when the drop was just tilted with the hand will get burned. Okay. So strong acids give full ionization in water. Means it fully dissolve it. Weak acids are nothing but acids with undergoing complete partial ionization are called the weak acids. So you know acetic acid, hydrogen carbonate acid. So these are some examples of the weak acids. So I'll tell you, strong acids, weak base, it gives rise to strong acids. weak acid and strong base gives rise to strong base. So in this common point we can find out that which is the dominant character, we can get that. If this acid was dominant, we get the acidic nature. If the basic was dominant, we can get the basic. You know, guys? You know? Yeah, strong bases with which undergo complete ionization are called the strong bases. So I am like alag alag ka strong acids, strong bases ka same rule. Okay, weak bases with undergo incomplete partial. Yeah, we have already discussed. We have given the some examples. Okay, yeah, we can study that. Next, indicators, right? Indicators. Substances which show the acidic or basic behavior of other substance by changing in color are known as the indicators. So indicators are very simple. Huh? Indicators show it will change. It will change by time by time. And guys, yeah. It means when you get to react with acids, it will change to the acidic nature. When it's changed to the basic nature, when the basic was arrived to it. So like that. Types of indicators are natural indicators. Natural indicators क्या है? Natural indicators, olfactory indicators, second synthetic indicators, and universal indicators. There are four types. Then guys, so I'm gonna discuss with you four types. The natural indicators obtained from natural sources. So I have discussed before you. The litmus come from the lichen. Turmeric, it's a natural one. Red cabbage from cabbage, China rose, it comes rose. So I don't know why the names was kept like this, but I can get you clarification of this as a naturally occurred, not synthetic. Hana? And olfactory indicators, it's like onion, vanilla, clove oil too. Okay, indicators which have changed the smell when mixed with acids or bases. Yeah, it have given you hint that when it mixes with acid or when it mixes with base, it will give some different smells of different acids or basic natures. Okay, synthetic indicators are tell by indicators that are synthesized in laboratory are known as synthetic indicators. It's like methyl orange phenolphthalein. These are the man-made, guys. These are the man-made. It means the synthetic which is prepared from laboratory. So I'll tell you the last universal indicators. Universal indicators is used to get the strength as well as acidic basic nature of a given solution are called universal indicators. Universal indicators gives different colors over a range of pH values from 1 to 14 for given solution. Universal indicators are nothing but the pH strip. Can I guys? I think so we have cleared the topic today. So okay. We can meet in another video with a very interesting topic. Until then, bye.